Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a CTF challenge from picoCTF 2024. The challenge is called IntroToBurp. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The area of the challenge is web exploitation. The task is to find a flag by using a proxy to bypass a one-time password challenge. You'll find a link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we are at the picoCTF homepage, and we need to launch the instance to get a description of what to do in this challenge. Try here to find a flag, and then we get a link to a web page. And since the title here is IntroToBurp, they want us to use a proxy to browse this web page. I prefer the set attack proxy, so I'm going to launch that instead. Let's use the manual explore option. And then let's enter the URL from here. And let's launch the browser. Here we have a registration form. So let's fill it out. And let's click register. Here we get the 2FA authentication challenge, where we are supposed to enter a one-time password. And for some context, a one-time password is also known as a one-time PIN or a one-time passcode. And this is a sort of challenge response scenario where we use a password that is only valid for one login session. And since we don't know the OTP, I'm just going to enter something here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and submit. And then we get a response saying that this is an invalid OTP. Let's head back over to set attack proxy. And here we can see a history of the requests that were made. And the last one here should be the OTP post, and that's the OTP that I entered. And the response we got was 200 OK, but with the body that it's an invalid OTP code. So what we could do here is to try and modify this request. So let's right-click it and open it in the request editor. And here we can edit the request. So what we could try here is to simply remove the OTP and see if that works. And then we hit send. And this actually worked. So welcome, tuner. You successfully bypassed the OTP request. And your flag is the following: OTP bypass success. Let's copy it and head back over to the challenge page. And let's try and submit this flag. Hooray, we solved the challenge. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.